and thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel today. In today's video, I will be making a almond milk. This is it right there. You can see how rich it is. It is very healthy. If you're someone who loves nut milk, I think you will enjoy today's video. This is made straight from raw almonds I got from Costco. So if you want to see how I made this, just stick around. And in the comments below, give me a list of the different milks you like to make at home. I would love to know what you guys are doing at home. This for me is a healthy alternative as opposed to purchasing the milks in the store where a lot of preservatives are added to it. I love making milks at home like oat milk, rice milk, macadamia milk, almond milk, which is one of my favorite. If you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. Now, if you are new to my channel, I hope you do subscribe to my videos. There is also a notification bell to help you know when I upload a new video. Click that. Let's head into the kitchen right now. I had the almond milk soaking overnight, so now it is ready. We're going to place it in the blender and I'm going to show you how I make my fresh almond milk.
We will.
Please, Zine, can I do the video?
Soak overnight?
Like, I don't get it. I'm trying to do the video here. Okay, so let's get this baby started. So this is my almond milk. As you can see, it was soaking up, right? It's soaking up, which means this liquid I usually throw it out because I love my almond milk to look white. If you use this water, usually it turns a little dark brown. So we're going to strain this out, and this is the almond I am actually using. I got this almond pack from Costco. I try to ensure that. Let's just grab it with my hands. I don't want the water in. When I'm making my almond milk, I don't like to use any water that have added minerals to it. So I go for the distilled water because all I am looking for is the natural flavor from the almond. So this is why I'm using the distilled water. But you could use any water you want. I just prefer to use the distilled. So we're going to put about, I would say, 5 cups of water in there. I would say about 1 cup to about 5 cups of 5 cups of water. So there you have it, freshly blended. This is my nut milk bag. I'm just putting this over here, and I am going to be pouring the almond milk in here. Oh, look how beautiful and rich this looks. When you're doing this, you want to ensure that your hands is clean. You see that? I don't waste stuff. I don't waste things. So this right here, this, you could use this as an exfoliator. This is very soft. You would add a little bit. It's not grainy, but you could use it as exfoliator. It's my hands. Reach. See how beautiful it is. Beautiful fresh almond milk is delicious. And this is the remainder of the residue skin we have left. How rich this look. Pure rich almond milk, very smooth, very creamy. We're going to take a bottle and pour this in. I got this bottle from IKEA. They're called the Cocken. I do believe you might need a funnel to pour this in. Let's see. The milk is very smooth and silky, so hopefully I don't make a mess. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So this is actually the completed bottle. We got about 1 bottle based on the amount of almonds that I use. Again, you saw how I made it. It is fresh, it is healthy, it tastes delicious. If you want to spice it up a bit, you know, in the morning you could just blend it up with banana, strawberry, add some cinnamon, nutmeg, a date to kind of sweeten it up, and it tastes delicious. I drink it like this. I have it like this with my cereal. It is healthy again. And if you're into nut milks, I hope you do add this to your list of healthy drinks you make at home. So again, thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscription below. Tell me whether you like this video or not, or whether you do have milks at home. So my name is Darci. I hope you stick around for more videos from me. Bye. Decorated and garnished with some mint leaves, cinnamon stick, I love cinnamon, and strawberry. So guys, if you really want to see what I have in my glass today, stick around for this video. Are you guys loving it? Sound of the water. It is a beautiful sight to see. You should visit here. So if you're from the islands and you're looking for a hot spot, like a beach spot that looks exquisite, that looks sophisticated, here at the Grotto is actually my spot. Hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog. My name is Darci. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and also hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I upload a video. I'm here at the Grotto. See? Now, let's see how beautiful.